Fully built and fully working with its new paint job. So guys, if you want to pull this off, we can show them what we've been working on. Hi guys, welcome back to Thornton 100 Motorcycles YouTube channel. My name's Jody and today me and the whole crew are at Caffeine and Machine and we're unveiling our demo ambassador bike and the world's fastest bobber too. Now if you've been following Thornton 100, you'll know that just 3 days ago I blew that engine up, and we'll put that on our story highlights as well because that's been an absolute mission. I've been not sleeping trying to get that bike finished, ready for this event. However, it is done and the ambassador bike is done and dusted too, and we have been down to the wire getting these bikes ready. However, we're going to unveil them today. We got all of our ambassador team here. We got a big crowd and the sun has finally started shining. So we're going to sink some pints, try not to get sunburned, and then we're going to check out these sick bikes.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here. We full of life, you keep the change, keep the change. They hate and say we went and changed. I stay the same. You must be blinded by the lights. You must be blinded by the lights, lights. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you so much to everyone for coming today, and thank you for all of your support as well, and all of our ambassador team for being part of Thornton 100 family. We really do appreciate it, and our gift from Thornton 100 to you guys is your ambassador bike. So if you want to pull off the cover and show these guys the ambassador bike, which you guys will all get to ride individually.
We put the nets up in the lines, now we high. Kaleidoscope of colors beaming from our eyes. LSD, can't lose my mind like Kennedy. You see us cooking recipes. You hit the top, all you left with is the memories.
So this bike is so sick and it sounds the nuts as well. So each one of our ambassadors is going to get to ride this bike and do a load of content on it and basically tell people how good these bikes really are. So that bike is really, really good and I love this bike. However, we unveiled this one first for a reason, because this bike absolutely shows it up. The world's fastest bobber, this bike has been an absolute mission for me. So I started this bike at the very start of lockdown, and for me it was more of a bike that I had in stock and I built. However, when lockdown hit, I wanted to kind of bring to all of our followers a bit more content as well. So everyone was kind of watching, the world was watching, so I was like, right, what happens if we work with Rich from TTS and we come out with a Roadtrek centrifugal supercharged bike and put NOS on it and build the engine and do all that good stuff, and we ended up with the world's fastest bobber. So this bike, without nitrous at Santa Pod, ran a 10.5 at 130 mile an hour. So it is absolutely wild to ride. It's a lot of fun. It power wheelies at like 100 mile an hour on a bobber, which is just absolutely insane. And now we have it here, fully built and fully working with its new paint job. So guys, if you want to pull this off, we can show them what we've been working on. Okay guys, so there you have it. We've unveiled both bikes. We're having a great time. The sun's shining and it's not raining, which is great. So over here we have the world's fastest bobber, and let me show you around this bike because a lot of you guys are going to know about this bike anyway. a 2019 Triumph Bonneville Bobber Black with a supercharger and the nitrous injection too. This thing runs 202 horsepower at the rear wheel. And we have built this bike over the last year and it's so sick. And I'm so happy to be able to finally unveil it with a custom paint from Image Design Custom, as well as the tank, as well as the underside of the seat as well. So there's not much bodywork left on this bike because we've taken it all off to fit NOS solenoids and plenums and superchargers and all that kind of good stuff. But what we do have left, we've painted, and it looks so sick. So this bike's had such a good reception as well. As you can see on the floor, there's a big hole here and there's a big hole here. And Stevie, I'm sure, will overlay the footage now of that bike blowing a hole in the floor, which is so funny, honestly. So I started up, we revved it, everyone came down to come and check out this bike. It's been such a successful launch as well. Everyone's had a great time. As well as unveiling the WFB, we've unveiled our ambassador bike. So as you're probably aware, we've got a full ambassador team now. We have 10 people who are Thornton 100 genuine certified ambassadors, and those guys are gonna each get a chance to have a go on this bike, take it out, and they're gonna have it for a week at a time, and they're going to be able to take it out. So this is one of our Thornton 100 V4 wide wheel bobbers. So we've got the wide custom billet hubs, we've got the custom billet mudguard, we've got the billet triple clamps, full custom paint. We have the 2-into-1-into-2 out the side exhaust, which is so sick. I haven't seen that on a bobber before. We've got the Thornton 100 engine plaques, blacked out throttle bodies, we've got the Fox shock, we have our Thornton 100 extended seat mount, the side mount number plate, and of course our custom Thornton 100 wavy disc too. Everyone's having a great time, so we're all gonna get on the beers, we're gonna have a bit of food, hopefully not get too drunk, so we don't have sore heads in the morning, so we can carry on building really cool Thornton 100 custom bikes. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.